acción.
All right. Hey, you guys, just checking in with you. Doing a quick review on our little Robo vacuum cleaner. These are okay, but the only problem, if you have wood floors or if you have carpets and if you have pets that shed, then it's not good to actually use. So if you take a look at the bottom, if you look down here, what's happening is it has little spinners here. Well, when you got a dog with long hair, those spinner hairs get caught on there. They also, if you see right there, they get caught on the wheels, which is continuous plugging on, which is creating more work for you. Inside here, the main roller brushes, all dog hair tied up on in there. The other thing too, I'll show you on the side, it actually has a button here. So if you open it, this is the actual container. The problem with it, if you have a dog that sheds, you can see it's a little, it doesn't fit much. And then there's the filter. When you have dog hair, that filter gets all clogged up. So that's the downside with a Robo vacuum. If you don't have cats, if you don't have dogs, they may be okay. But if you have dogs that shed or cats that shed, then it's a problem. The second and last and final problem is this right here. So when it's done, it loads up in here, and then there's a bag in here. All right, so if you have a dog that sheds, what happens is the dog hair goes into that bag. The purpose of a filter is to filter translation. It's going to clog, and when it clogs, it reduces the efficiency to actually pick up the dirt. So that's the downside with a regular one of these Robo vacuums. Thing to consider is the rainbow cleaning system. It doesn't have any filters. It doesn't use bags. It actually uses water as a filter, so it doesn't leak, it doesn't clog, and as you're sucking up, 100% clean air is coming out through the back. There it is. Thanks for your time. Appreciate it.